Hi guys, welcome back. So normally I do the unboxing of the Spellbinder kits before I actually put them into the system that I have and how I store them. I totally forgot to do that because there's like a million things going on right now, a million like family things going on. Yeah, I'm also behind with everything. So I will hopefully have some October. These are the October kits. Hopefully I'll have some of that out in October, but I can't guarantee it. So just bear with me, but I will bring videos on this because I like all the kits. I get really excited, but this one is really cool because of the it's a Christmassy themed set or kits, club kits. So I will start with the small die of the month and then show you each one as we go through. So this is the small die of the month. This is the this is October 23, just so you know, and it's called Big Jolly Santa. And these are all the parts and pieces. There's a couple of he'll be holding like a flagpole thing with a little flag thing on it, and this has Be Nice, which I think is kind of cool, and you could use that I think for a lot of different things, and then Ho 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 is the other sort of sentiment. And I think that also the Be Nice, I know it's typically a Christmas thing, but you could use that for other things during the year, and then just as a funny thing, and change up the way that you dress him and maybe alter his hat or something like that, and then you could actually have this as just a jolly man dude doing something else and wishing people well. So I'll just turn this over. So this is actually, while I'm here, this is how I store my dies. These are little pockets, cheap off Amazon. These are an A5 size, a UK A5 size, and then I have boards, which I have got videos on this, boards that I, chipboard and magnetic sheets that I then cut down and adhere the magnetic sheet to the board, and that's what I stick them on. They just magnetize to it. If I can get it off here. That was a good example. They just cling to it, and it's great. It works really well, and then the storage is actually really easy as well. So this is the, I'll just take that out so it's less glare. This is an example of what you can do with this little Santa dude. So do you see how you could alter the colours? You could change his beard slightly, you could round it maybe, and then it becomes a different character, and maybe put him in green, and then maybe, well, that's traditional, isn't it? That's the actual traditional Santa, but you could alter this and make him maybe an elf instead, that kind of thing, or just a lumberjack kind of dude, and stamp pattern or use pattern paper for his outfit instead, so that it's just a different guy. So it doesn't have to be just Santa. But this is the sort of thing that you'll be able to cut with the pieces, and obviously you get great instructions as always from Spellbinders. So I just pop that in the back. That's actually how the kits come. They come with an example sheet and an idea. So I just stick it in the back of my little pocket thing. This is the large die of the month for October 23, and this one is called Christmas Boutique. So this creates this little house with this floral decoration over the top of it. Now you could easily cut off the florally bit and just have a little house, which you can do again all year round. Does not have to be Christmas themed. Obviously this is because of the kit, but you don't have to use that house as a Christmassy thing. It's got little inlays for the windows, so you can make it look like there's glass. You can inlay that and layer it up with vellum if you want, so it's a different kind of look. The door is up here, and again it's got like panels that you can inlay to look like glass. There's a Christmas tree or a fir tree. There's a little awning for over the door, so you could make this into like a little cafe or a little sweet shop or something. And then there's this fence which has got these extra bits on the end which actually create like a three-dimensional fence, which I think is very cute. And then you've obviously got like your roof, and all the pieces here will then fit and these little flowers, and there's some pots there as well, but these little flowers here, sorry, all these extras will fit around there. And my camera's going to run out of steam in a minute, but we'll just, hopefully we'll get this in. So yeah, lots of decoration on that. So this is the idea of what you can create with that, and I think it's beautiful. Little Christmas trees, decorations, you know, all sorts of things you can do. You can make a shaped card. There's also a Noel sentiment in there, so that's you covered for Christmas if you want to do it as a Christmas card. Or you can, like I say, change this up, cut all this foliage off, and then you can use the foliage probably for other things, but you could then just have a house as a housewarming, not a housewarming, like a new home card you could make out of that. So that's the large. And I have a couple of ideas for that. This is the Glimmer of the month, which is called Boutique. Did I spelt boutique wrong? There you go. Boutique Full of Joy. And this has the glimmer part is the bow and this floral arrangement, and then these 3 different sentiments. So they will be the pieces that you can foil, hot foil. And then the bow actually has its own die, which will die cut around it looks like right around the edges of the bow itself. And then there's a circle die here to cut out each of these. There are 3 different sentiments. So one says joy, for you, and warm wishes. So the for you could use again as a more of a birthday themed, if someone's got a winter birthday, that kind of thing. Now at the time the foil did not come with this kit. I don't know what happened, but it didn't arrive with it, which it should do if you're part of the club kits. So I've actually emailed them. Their customer service is amazing. I've never had an issue with it at all, and they always respond really quickly. Yeah, so the foil that does go with this kit is on its way to me. I just haven't got it at the moment. Maybe by the time I get the video done for this, I will have the foil, so, which is likely what's going to happen. So this is just an idea. I'll try and get close as I can. The bow will actually cut, all the centers will cut out. There's the little, I suppose like a wax seal, but it's not a wax seal, it's a foil seal if you like. And then this one's actually being coloured in, all the pieces, all the foliage for this image is being coloured in, probably with some Copic markers or something like that. So that's just an idea of what you can do with the Glimmer of the month. So a little bit different, obviously, because I normally unpackage it as it's come to me, but like I say, it's just a lot going on, so I'm a little overwhelmed at the moment, so I am behind on things. But it's fine. It's fine. They're wonderful things. It's nothing's bad, but it's just, obviously it takes up more of my time to be able to do this. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video. I will hopefully have 2 videos this week, but bear with me. I will be back with more to show you how to put these together and create something with each of these as well. So until next time, guys, bye for now.